Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the hot glue gun. 50-watt power. It's a glue gun with holder system, and not only one holder system. This gun contains two holder systems. Oh yeah. For glue sticks, transparent glue sticks for DIY, small crafts and quick repairs in home and office, and of course in your garage. Because you can glue with that kind of gun nearly everything together. Equipped with 80 environmentally friendly hot glue sticks. But take care, it's the smaller version of them, 130mm to 7mm. We can use the glue gun for toys, for models, for artist flowers, for decorations, for metal, for wood products, for cardboard, for electronic switches, to fix nearly everything out there. It's safe and easy to use. The nozzle of the glue gun is equipped with a head protection sleeve. The fast preheating time is 2 up to 4 minutes, and the temperature retention is automatic. And we have a safety design. The heating element of the glue gun adopts a positive temperature coefficient resistance, a PTC, in the electrical system from 100 volt to 240 volt. That means you can use that over the entire world. In the electrical system means, for example, in Germany, it's 230 volt. But in other countries, there are, for example, only 100 volt. And if you can make an adapter on it, and plug or a power plug connector onto it, then you can use it all worldwide. With the built-in fuse, the glue gun is safe to use. Because if there's some problem with some damaged thing on it, the safety thing, okay, the built-in fuse will be enabled, and that will protect everything. And we have a unique design. This glue gun has a removable base for easy space of the glue gun and a convenient storage. This glue gun is exquisite and compact and can be easily stored in any toolbox, as well as there is a small box out there. And you can see you can glue glass, you can glue cardboard, paper, everything, plastic parts, ABS plastic, PVC, everything is possible. And it's so easy because it's trick system. That means you do not have pull the glue sticks by yourself with your hand into the gun. You have an awesome trigger. And if you pull the trigger, the glue flows out. Yeah. This is a hot melt adhesive, an HMA, also known as a hot glue. It is a form of thermoplastic adhesive that is commonly sold as solid cylindrical sticks of various diameters designed to apply using a hot glue gun. The gun uses a continuous duty heating element to melt the plastic glue, which the user, me, push through the gun, either with a mechanical trigger as seen here, trigger mechanism on the gun itself, or direct finger pressure. And this is not good. My older glue gun is like a finger pressure gun, and that's not good really, because in the case if you have a finger pressure gun, you have to use two hands to control the gun. Here in this case, this Blasmart gun you can control only with one hand. That's awesome. The glue squeezed out of the heated nozzle is initially hot enough to burn and even blister skin, so take care of your skin. The glue is sticky when hot and solidifies in a few seconds to 1 minute. The hot melt adhesive can also be applied by dipping or spraying and are popular with hobbyists and crafters both for affixing and as an inexpensive alternative to resin casting. In industrial use, the hot melt adhesive provides several advantages over soft-based adhesive. And this plasmid gun is for home use, okay? You can make really good crafts with it. You can glue things together easily, but take care of the hot glue because your fingers are not so compatible with hot glue, okay? I tried it, it was really hard. They dipped one little blue drip on my fingers and it was only a few seconds. I think it was 3-4 seconds on my hand and there was a bubble after it. And that hurts really much because this burns your hand or your fingers a little bit. So take care if you're going to use this gun or this kind of gun because it's every hot melt adhesive or hot glue gun is not a toy. But it helps you so much to fix so many problems, so many broken things at home in DIY. That's awesome. That's really awesome. And if you are take care of you and of course of your children, if you make a little bit fun with it, you have to control it. And then a hot glue gun is really nice and a big friend of you if you're going to make a DIY job at home. This is the Maxdone or the Blasmart hot glue gun with 50-watt power. It's a glue gun with a holder because you have a bottom holder to let this glue gun horizontally, or you're going to use the front holder system to get it on the ground a little bit. But if this device is on, because there's a switch, the switch position O means off and an I or a 1 means this is working. If you're going to position 1 and you can see the LED is on, a green LED, then take care, it will be hot at the front side of that glue gun. And to use it, only pull the trigger, and on the front side that will get out the glue, the gun. Awesome. The glue gun is really nice. And it comes with 80 hot glue sticks, transparent, because on the market there are available other colors of glue sticks too. You can use blacks, white, yellows, as you like, but here's transparent. Transparent is the standard way. This is awesome for DIY, for small crafts and quick repairs in home, garage and office and everywhere out there. Thanks for watching, please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.